Hi brownies, my name is Shalini and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is just a quick Sunday skincare routine. So along with that, I'll be sharing some products from Foxtail which are really good and helping with my skin, and I'm really liking it. So to start off with, I've just washed my hair after a good chumpy, and yeah, so during the video I'll also try their mask and continue sharing the feedback on some of their products that I've got. So yeah, so let's begin. So to start off with, this mask went really viral, the purple mask. So it's their skin radiance mask. So I'll just quickly apply it as well during the video, so that by the time I review the other products, so as you can see, I've used quite a lot, and I've also restocked it recently from Nykaa because they had a good sale, 40% off. So this is really good. I don't have to do anything else. This does so earlier I was using a lot of other products for as a home facial sort of, and also do a lot of home uh, products like also use a lot of kitchen products in terms of like honey, lemon. So I share that as well. So that is also good, but I really liked it. It gives like a sort of tingling sensation. So yeah. So it's good. I like it, and it's like 3 months since I'm using this, and that's how it goes. I think it will go for another 3 months because you don't require a lot. Um, so yeah, so I'm just yes. So that's done. So I also apply it on my eyelids because it is not that harsh. I know a lot of people have different views on that. But I do. Um, because I don't want my um, eyes to look completely different. Yeah, I do it on the neck as well. And yes, so that's about it. So this is so I'll continue with the other products meanwhile, because you need to leave it on for say 10 to 15 minutes. So I usually leave it for about 7 to 10 minutes. Yeah. And so this is really good. The color is good. It doesn't have a very strong fragrance, and it's for all skin types. So it cleans pores and reduces blackheads, improves skin clarity and tone. So yeah, it is Brazilian purple clay and kaolin clay and lactic acid. So it is, as it says, the stunner. So yeah, for lately I'm really liking it, and I agree to whatever is written on this. So yeah, it's a good thumbs up. So apart from that, they always run a sale, say 1 on 1, or they always have a sale on their website. I usually shop from their website. So these are some other products that I got. So I got their multivitamin glow toner plus makeup setting spray. So this has a very nice soothing fragrance. So I use it before like a prep before doing the daily makeup, and it's really good. It has vitamin C, pro vitamin 85 plus niacinamide. So, and again, for all skin types. So I've been using this for quite some time, and it's a long lasting product. I think it will go for 6 to 8 months, and it's good. It's quite nice, the fragrance, and it's quite refreshing. So yeah, that's that. And the packaging is also quite good, if you can see. So unlike a lot of other products, the pump here is very nice and it's done very well for the price. The product is really good and the packaging is really good. Then the second product is their nourishing moisturizer, which is it says Pure Bliss. I like the kind of like purplish, pinkish purplish kind of the color on the packaging. And I have used this, like it's almost done. I'm got to restock this, and this is also for all skin types, so I use this every day. This is like my new moisturizer. It is got niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, sorry about that, plus cocoa butter. So this is it's not greasy, sticky, and since I sweat a lot, this doesn't make my skin like oily, and it lets the makeup on that stay. So this is something like I really like, and like this is one of the best products that I've purchased recently, and it is priced like it's a very very affordable product. And I also have some high-end products, but I somehow go back to this, so this is really good. Yeah. And then I got their oil-free moisturizer. So this is also normal to oily skin, it says. So I haven't used it much. It has a good packaging, so all the products have a good nice the shades on used on the products are really nice. This is something, this is not used much. It is kind of like a jelly sort of consistency, and I've kind of whenever I've used it, I found it like somehow I wasn't very comfortable with it. Somehow it felt little sticky. So maybe because it's for normal to oily skin, I don't have like oily skin as such, so maybe that's why it somehow it makes my hand also feel little like sticky, sort of, not much. This is also good. It has a slight fragrance, so it's not a great product that I like. I'm sure there might be it might be suitable for others, but compared to their nourishing moisturizer, and this also being their oil-free moisturizer, I will definitely give this a thumbs up, and this is a great product. And then I also got their the Diva Overnight Glow Mask. So reveals glowing skin, even tone and texture. It has got AHA, PHA and Pro Vitamin 85. This is also for all skin type. So somehow this packaging is kind of very though it looks good, but many times like this is fallen, and in case if you lose this, then I'm sure there's a lot of dirt or that can be put on this. So that's a challenge. I think this can be improved, but the product is good. So you can use it like I apply it in the night, say 2 to 3 pumps of this, and it is actually it's not sticky. It's like kind of semi watery sort of thing, and it's like more like a serum that goes in, and it just stays, and it does give a slight glow. Of course nothing can do make changes in a day. So I've used it say about 3 to 4 times in the last 6 months. So for that I cannot say much on the results, but yeah, I did do slightly. It does give you that slight glow the next day. So this is again good. Since I've not used it much, and if I have to repurchase, I will. I would want to try it again. Then I also got their Vitality Retinol Night Serum. It says it reduces fine lines and wrinkles, makes skin firmer. It has 15% retinol, betine. Sorry, I haven't heard. I really need to know what this is, and cocoa butter. So this again, obviously I don't use it with the other one. Again, the packaging, the same issue. I haven't used this much. This was something I got recently. So this is got a more of a creamy kind of texture. So this is how it is, if you see. So it doesn't have a fragrance as such. Yeah, but I just wanted to try it. It gets absorbed into the skin. It's nice. It's not sticky. It's quite smooth that way. Yeah, so that is good. And in comparison to their glowing serum, so the glowing serum, overnight it is kind of slightly, sticky. It takes time to it's like little slightly, you'll find it a little sticky in the night, if you're not used to applying anything in the night apart from your normal skincare and sleeping. So yeah, this will stay. And yes, so I've almost done like 10 to 15 minutes of about 10 minutes I've kept the mask. So I'll just remove it and show you guys how it is. So I'll just remove it here. Yes, so on my nose. So if you see it, it's kind of like little it did help a bit with the slightly made my skin look better. I'm not sure if you can make out, but so yeah. I'm doing it with very light hand, and this is one of my favorite towels that I use. So yeah, and this is used by me. I don't use a sponge or anything. So yes, so if you can see, this is what it has done. So yeah, if you can see, it's light glow. It's not sticky. It came off very easily. Yeah, so that's that. It has actually reduced a lot of black spots on my chin, and kind of reduced my underarms also. So the mask is good. There's no need to do a detan. I usually used to do a detan, and this mask is really good. So yeah, so that's just a quick Sunday skincare. And do share comments on what you would like me to review. And please do subscribe and like and share, and hoping for a great positive response. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.